Hi guys, this is Mike with Coinsider. Thanks for coming to another quick charts presentation. Today is April 23rd, about 2 p.m. New York time, and we have 6 analysts for you today. Some similar to yesterday, some updates. We have 3 bear bias, 3 bull bias, and we're going to get into details with updates. If you haven't already done so, we have a link for the demo video. Please follow that in the description. And if you're not familiar with quick charts, we do the research to bring you top analysts and put their information in details in one page, so you don't have to do the research and can save you time and possibly help you not to miss that next move in Bitcoin. So let's get into the quick charts. We have 3 sections. We're going to have the first section, which is the micro charts. These 6 here micro charts here. Then you're going to have prediction reasoning, and then we're going to have candle charts, which are the charts of the analysts. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a few common price points. We have here dip on the bull side, on the bear side, little dip, and going towards an important price line here. So again, on the left hand side, we have a final point on the bears to look out for, which is 9200, 9400. It's a zone the square signifies. 9600 zone, 9700 zone. So these are some final short, medium term price points that you want to keep an eye out. This is for the bulls. Also for the bears, you have a 10,000 region, and you have some regions going up, but there's no specificity on that. Then you have some major lines you want to look out for. 9,067. It's a major line you want to look out for, and a similar 9,067 area here, and 9177, which is a previous high that we had in Bitcoin. So those are just some key prices to look for, and some common movements of the bulls and the bears. You know, the little retracement and a pullback and up, pullback and up, pullback and up, little pullback and up, and reaching for key zones. So that was it for the micro charts or the quick charts. Let's get to the next section, which is prediction and reasoning. I'm going to blow up the charts. Again, let's just take a look more in detail of what that means, down and up and down and up. So these 3 are bulls. Well, Silicon goes into reasoning. We're either going to go down to 686.16. We have a ascending triangle. If we break that, and we'll probably go to that 86.16. If we stay on the path of an ascending triangle, which means we will not go down, that's why I have this dotted line here with the square. If we go up, then we can test $92 to $9,300. With Heijin Lee, yesterday he believed that we're going to trace further, about $8,000, $8,200, and now he sees us an ascending triangle where they could be bullish, so he's not keeping us going down too much. He has us a little possible dip, and then possibly we're going to do a measured move and pop up to the 94 to 9600 zone here. Now we have EW and patterns seeing us retrace, keeping it similar from yesterday, 8,000, 8,200 zone, and then after that going up to 9750. So nothing changed with EW and patterns. Then we have 3 bearish analysts. We have Tony Vase. Tony Vase sees us going up to 10,000, bouncing off this 10,000, but he's still overall bearish. He's comparing Bitcoin to 2014, where the pullback was much longer than 4 months, and he sees us similar to 2014, still going down to 4,900. And we have AP, great analyst. He sees us pulling back to 8,100 to 7,800 for a retracement. He's an Elliott wave technician, and from there we could be entering into another bullish move going upwards. No specific price, but I did put upwards. If we're going into that bullish move, then we could see numbers that go past the 91.77 previous high. And we have JD Marshall, where he outlines conditions where if we can break that previous high that we just put in, I believe it's 9,019 or 9,067 possibly, which was the previous high. I believe he said 9,067. If we can break it and we can go up a little bit higher, we'll probably break 91.77. He'll probably lean bullish at that point. But if we don't break the previous high of 9,073, he says we may do a soft shoulder and roll under this dotted line and test that 6425 region and eventually test the 6,000 and go below. And that would be very bearish, and he just shows previous huge spikes that just rolled over twice the size down as they went up. So that's JD Marshall's point of view there. So that was our 6 analysts in the details of their prediction and reasoning. We're going to go into their candle charts now, which is their charts. If that was good enough for you, the previous section, prediction and reasoning, we'll see you tomorrow. If you want the details of the analyst, we're going to go into it now. So candle charts, Filicone first. Again, here's the ascending triangle we just talked about in the previous section. We can just keep on going up, break this, and get into that 9200 zone right here, 9400 zone, or we could actually break down and reach that 8600 zone, as I just mentioned above. With Heijin, he now updated his chart from yesterday where we have an ascending triangle similar to what Filicone is showing right there, and we may dip a little bit down, maybe 8800, and from there we'll break out of the triangle and we'll form the same distance as the opening of the triangle, which is about $94 to $9,600 would be our target if we break up there. So Heijin's a little bit more bullish. Then we have EW in patterns where he sees us retracing down to about the 8,000 zone, and then we've already gone up to the section 9,000. Now he sees us in a down retrace to 8,000, and from there going up to 9,750. This red is longer term. Tony Bays is overall bearish. He could see a bounce up to 10,000, but again, overall, he's comparing us to 2014 bear market, where the bear market was very long, and he sees us still going down to 4,900. And AP sees us retracing down to about the 8,080, between 7,800 and 8,100 zone downwards, and from there possibly breaking up into a new impulse wave. And JD Marshall again just showed you that shoulder rollover. This is the 9167 previous high that we put in a few days ago. If we do not break that, and if the price starts going like this and rolling underneath and going down, he says that we'll probably go down and test that 64.25 and eventually break this 6,000 mark, which was our previous low. So that's it for quick charts. We went over 3 sections. We just finished the candle charts. We previously did that. We did prediction reasoning, and we did quickly the micro charts, where I just showed you basic price movement and important prices to look for. So glad that you joined us today. I hope you took a lot of information away from today's report. The opinions of the analysts and Coinsider are strictly just our opinions. It's not financial advice. So if you are doing any investing, please do your own due diligence, as there's always a chance for losing money. Again, thank you for joining Quick Charts. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And if you're in Steam, just re-steam or give us a like, and please comment. We'd love to hear your comments. Have a great day, guys.